2,535 kilometers. That's the distance between Batik Malaysia and its counterpart in China. Despite the distance, we share the same spirit and passion collectively. The pulse of the city, the spirit of vibrancy and excitement. Both communities take pride in our multi-ethnic heritage. There are differences across every culture, but it is the diversity that brings us together. The same belief is grounded by a shared value system. Batik, an artistic masterpiece created by the locals, is a unique representation of Malaysia's multiculturalism. Designed with high-quality material, this makes batik timeless. Kelantan's capital, Kota Baharu, the city of batik. Good things of today may disappear over the years. While we treasure our cultural heritage, we also strive to continuously innovate.
Pelukis saya cakap lilin kena bagi halus. Tangan dia lembut. Kita tengok desain macam orang lain nampak macam tak hidup tak ceria. Dia nampak ceria je nampak. Kita kena buat kita punya desain jangan sama dengan kilang lain. Itu menyebabkan kita punya kualiti kita barang kita tak jalan. Sebab saya nak batik Kelantan ni dapat pujian daripada seluruh dunia.
Artistry lives in each line of batik. It's all in the details. Expertise gained from a lifetime of experience is the most valuable asset of any craftsman, as they strive for excellent craftsmanship and the commitment for quality. Sarawak's capital, Kuching, a harmonious city.
Kalau pelanggan saya sentiasa dia guna sekeluarga, memperkenalkan kepada orang lain, batik yang saya buat itu sangat-sangat menggembirakan mereka dan menjadi satu sumber inspirasi untuk saya bergiat terus dalam pembuatan batik ini.
A masterpiece that is created with passion, has a soul of its own, and brings great happiness to those it touches. Innovation and dedication connect people to create a better life. Malaysia's capital, Kuala Lumpur, a city brimming with culture and trendy lifestyles.
下迪艺术精品中心，我们有一个以客为尊的一个原则去对待我们的顾客。除了展示各种各样的巴迪，也提供了巴迪的制作过程给顾客看，让顾客有一个体验的机会，满足他们的好奇。每一件巴迪衣服的图案都有它的意思和故事存在了。以客为尊，不是单单只是要满足顾客，其实要超越顾客。顾客要求100%，如果我们可以提供的服务超过100%、120%的话，我们觉得这个是以客为尊最高境界。
The reason Wanki has got this far is because of our commitment to these values. Over the years, we have never lost sight of our goals, moving forward with our people for the people. This journey has been a long one, and much like the lives of the batik seamstresses, the dedication and spirit to quality and craftsmanship is what not so easily adopted. Creating a better life for others is not always so easy, but their joy and happiness at the end of the day is what makes what we do worth all the effort. We have always been a company that holds our customers as our priority, one that builds for the benefit and welfare of others. This new venture in Malaysia will be the start of a new journey for us. And as we once again move forward, we hope to enrich and celebrate a future together with Malaysians. We have come a long way, but now a new chapter begins. Hello, Malaysia.
Hello, Malaysia.